let's go.
What did you get?
Oh, nothing.
Huh?
Nothing. I just found this on the side of the road.
Oh my gosh. So my husband got a Mirage Passport 10.5 or 10.5, and this is for me. He said that he wants to get me something for my for our anniversary for this year. So he got me a kayak, because he got one. He got the, I think the Hobie, I have no idea, but his is 14 point something foot. I think it's 13.9, but this is a 10.5 Hobie Passport Mirage, or Mirage Passport. So I'm very excited. We're gonna have our whole week vacation for our anniversary, and we are definitely gonna use this kayak. We're gonna go fishing and we're gonna have fun. So I can't wait to use it. So if you wanted to know more about this kayak, make sure you subscribe in this channel. We are gonna use this basically for fishing. So if you're interested in knowing more about this kayak, just hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.